This is a story all about Python, a language you can program with. And I like to take a minute to sit right here, tell how I got into loops and caffeine. It starts with printing, greeting the world. Comment with hashtags, use numbers and math. Assigning variables and strings for some text. Escape sequence, tap in the next. With a couple of loops like before in a while. Placing a condition for the function noobs. Use raw input to get some data to use. Come start programming, girl, you got nothing to lose. Making was else in the foray. Come make a little game, you could start right away. I give you a list and I give you a dict. Do not forget to return or you might as well kick it.
Subclass this. Subclass this. Subclass this. Subclass this. Use classes to make new things. A type that makes some objects sing. Instance is what you get when you take the class and have them breathe. Feels good, it's a family. A super dope subclass is what you need. Inherit the traits, and this is the thing you subclass. I told you, homegirl, subclass this. Yeah, that's how you're scripting it, you know. Subclass this. Look at my screen, man. Subclass this. Yo, come on, have a cup of coffee. If you don't inherit, you gotta compose the sexy and best attributes. So hot, get the flight class and grab them by the butt. It's CSS style. CSS style. Once I was programming a nice ass application. My HTML file was sick, performance fit my vision. No beauty, no curves, no flick, the flaws had overtaken. It was plain text, I was shaken. I need text align, some color, font size and a light. Yeah, I need text align. Oh, the background image was my mission. I need text align, editing the headlines and descriptions. I need text align, I need text align. My teacher taught me to research on the net. Yeah, on the net. I found out there was a template for the win. It formed string. Got me W3 school and I was king. It's CSS style. CSS style. CSSS. It's CSS style. CSS style. CSSS. Hey, sexy coding. CSSS. It's CSS style. Hey, sexy coding. CSSS.
I'm gonna write some code, sharing that software makes no profit. But I'm joining, only using Linux, that's what we call freedom. Walk up to the club like, what up, I got some fresh coat. I'm so pumped about the upcoming net rave. Ice on Red Bull or pure black coffee. People like,
damn, that's a lot of caffeine. Rolling in, got no sleep, heading for the pizza heaps. Dressed in all blacks, in my homeroom glass. There's like draped in my hoodie bling. Here I am nerdy king. Probably should've washed this mess like a tearing ant. Crisps. But shit, it was 94.8.
call me socially awkward, but in fact I'm getting compliments, turning up on those festivals, burning whatever networking. My friends are taking drugs like week, allowing us to think us be saving the planet, seeking for the truth, a cyberdelic bitch.
I'ma take the hacker side, I'ma take the hacker side. No, for real, like a fox, can I have his fancy mind?
Post-humanism and connectivity, DIY culture, I tell you, this will flip it. They had a broken iPhone, I bought a broken iPhone. I bought an Arduino, then I bought a breadboard.
Hello, hello, my nerd, but my mellow. Copyright, copy left, on my laptop follow. I could take some bad codes, make him cool, sell those. The hacker guys will be like,
ugh, she's like Bezos. I'm gonna write some code, sharing that software makes no profit. But I'm joining, only using Linux, that's what we call freedom. I'm gonna write some code, sharing that software makes no profit. But I'm joining, only using Linux, that's what we call freedom. I don't care about your thoughts, I know what's true, what's false. I'm sticking to my code, ethics, values can't be sold. I don't care about your thoughts, I know what's true, what's false. I'm sticking to my code, ethics, values can't be sold. I'm gonna write some code, sharing that software